What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that I would show you guys how to create a little cute sweet treat for a Valentine's party or for your Valentine's. So with that being said, let's get on to decorating. The method that I'm going to be trying to do today is a two-toned frosting on my cupcakes. First, I grab me a cling wrap. Next, I'm taking my pink frosting and I'm just going to put a line, oh shoot, not like that, just like so. Get a little bit more frosting on there. Next, I'm grabbing my white frosting and I'm going to do the same right beside the pink. Once we have finished that step, I'm just going to grab it, just like that, and now I'm just going to scrunch it, and kind of roll it, twist it. Today I'm using a Wilton 1M piping tip. And now I'm getting my piping bag, I'm going to cut a slit here, put my piping tip into it, and then I'm going to put this in it. Now I'm going to go ahead and pipe them. We are going to do a nice swirly motion around it to get that perfect little Alrighty, now I thought that I would add some cute little heart sprinkles. That looks pretty cool, but I think we can do better. Chocolate.
Chocolate. I remember when they first invented chocolate.
Open up your chocolates and add those to the bowl. All right, let's get a plastic bag and let's pour this chocolate in it. Get some wax paper. Okay. We're gonna cut the tip.
That's what the doctor said.
And now we flip and we drizzle. Ready, set, go. Alrighty, let's peel these off now and put them onto our cupcakes. I'm going to use tweezers, that way I don't melt it with my fingers. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, it's Dad. Yo, Niagara, what up, dog? Put me on hold. Call waiting. Talk to the hand. Tom!